I've been full-time in crypto for almost 5 years now, and these are the strategies that I've used to consistently be profitable. Even during a bear market, I've been able to still make a lot of money, and not only that, I've been able to keep and preserve and grow my wealth over a bull market and a bear market. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because 2026, we don't know what's going to happen. We either go into a bear market or we go into a bull market, or maybe this is the worst case scenario, we travel and go sideways, right? That might be a possibility, but how can you actually capitalize? How can you make money? Let's take a look. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Crypto RJ. Now, guys, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe down below. I make daily videos covering meme coins. Right now, I am kind of looking more into altcoins just because there's no real interest in meme coins right now. However, I've been trading crypto for, like I said, almost 5 years now. I've traded BNB meme coins, I've traded altcoins, I've traded just normal meme coins. I've traded ETH, I've traded Bitcoin as well. My average entry for Bitcoin is $20,000. So yeah, I have a lot of skin in the game. And guys, again, just to really, make you guys understand I know what I'm talking about. I've Bitcoin is really my biggest position. ETH is currently my second biggest position. And like I said, guys, I mean, you could go on my Instagram and see Bitcoin and crypto literally funds my whole life. And I like to think I live a pretty comfortable life. I work full time in crypto in the sense that I basically just make YouTube videos and trade. I've traveled around the world a lot. You could buy like fake designer stuff, but you can't fake a plane ticket. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and literally just verify everything. I'm legit, right? Now, let's talk about it. The first thing I would say is 99% of people in the world, when it comes to investing in crypto, need to understand that they should be investing, right? And the reason I said investing is because people want to say, "Oh, I'm a trader," when reality is most traders lose a lot of money and they don't like to admit it, right? A lot of people, and you watching this video, even I myself sometimes, I just keep it very simple, and all I do is just invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? All you have to do, buy the dips, and you're pretty much guaranteed to be a millionaire at one point, right? And I want to really simplify this so you can actually take away something and make an actionable step. Because at the end of the day, you could sit down and watch a bunch of these videos, and until you do anything, it's just mental masturbation. Okay. Now, with that being said, let's just say, for example, your income is $5,000 and your expenses are $3,000, right? Again, just using random numbers. Obviously, it's going to depend whether you live in freaking Mumbai or you live in Munich, okay? So let's just assume these numbers, whatever, cool. And again, obviously, write this down. I want you to literally just grab a piece of paper or type it down for crying out loud and just write down, how much money do you make every month? How much do you spend? How much do you have left over in savings or investments, right? Now, let's just say you have about $2,000 every single month to save or invest, or $1,000, whatever it is. Instantly, a bunch of that money, a percentage of that money, let's just call it 50% of that money, could just be used to dollar cost average into Bitcoin and ETH. I know what you're thinking. No way I clicked on this video for this retard to tell me to dollar cost average. Listen, the reason I'm putting this at the start of the video is because the people that aren't going to actually watch the whole video are not going to make it in crypto anyways, right? If you don't have the attention span because you're just so busy mentally masturbating on TikTok all day, cool. You're not going to make money anyway, so I could not give less of a shit, right? Again, I'm just being brutally honest. But let's just say you actually do care. I would, for one, dollar cost average, because guys, this shit works, okay? It's been tried and tested, and it's literally like the Warren Buffett like freaking rule. Just do it. It works, okay? Now, let's just say you do that, but obviously now you want to make more money, right? First of all, if you're actively trading, you got to understand that Bitcoin is the king of all crypto. If Bitcoin is in an uptrend, all your coins are going to just pump like crazy. That's just the easiest thing to understand, right? Respect the trend and follow the trend, right? Trade with the trend. Right now, Bitcoin is choppy. There is no need to be aggressively looking for meme coins or altcoins to try and buy right now. In the past 2 months, I've basically bought nothing. I mean, I might have taken a couple little small trades here and there, but for the most part, I'm not aggressively buying anything, right? And if you're in my private Discord, you already know, guys, at the start of this year, we were buying so much shit. Like, it was insane, right? We had crazy results. We had crazy calls as well, as opposed to recently, there's not much to buy, okay? And we're not going to just waste our money and just buy random shit because we're trading with the trend. Remember to respect the trend. When Bitcoin is in a clear uptrend, you're going to be buying shit. When Bitcoin is in a clear downtrend, relax, just chill out, right? Dollar cost average, buy the dip, etc., etc. Now, with your positions as well, risk is so important, guys. If it wasn't for risk, I would not be here right now. And guys, I've lost a lot of money in crypto as well. Don't get it twisted. As much as I've made multiple six figures, I've lost six figures as well, right? So this isn't like a poor man's game. This is something that could literally blow your whole account if you're not doing this properly. So risk management. With every single meme coin or altcoin, if you're risking more than 5 to 10% of your total portfolio, you're most likely doing it wrong. And again, I get it. Sometimes you want to go balls deep, but understand That's not how you will be consistently profitable, right? Sure, maybe you'll hit it off, right? Maybe you'll full port into an altcoin and it'll be the most obvious trade ever and you'll make money. Kudos, congrats. Now, I've seen so many people come into the space, get lucky, make a crazy, 100x win, and they're like, oh my God, I'm a genius. And they go and they buy like a freaking peanut token, Peanut the Squirrel, at the top, and they lose everything. Or they go and buy Melania coin while it's like at all time highs and now they're poor, right? So again, that's not going to work all the time, right? No one, and I repeat, no one is getting every single coin right. In fact, a lot of the people that claim they do are just lying, okay? And again, I'm telling you this because I've done this for 5 years. I've seen people come and go. I've seen people make a lot of money and I've seen a lot of people lose a lot of money, right? Now, the people that have a consistent strategy and stick to their trading rules are the ones that are still around. I mean, literally ask yourself and look around. How many people do you know that have consistently been in crypto for longer than 2 years? Forget 2 years, longer than 6 months. It's a very fast paced environment and it's not for everyone. So, again, when you have these rules set in place, you understand that you're not going to be risking more than 5 to 10% per coin. And I would even say lower than that. I'm just saying as a general, because again, in my eyes and in my perfect portfolio, you're not 100% in crypto. You're also putting money into real estate and stocks. Okay. Again, that's just my investing thesis. If you just want to invest in crypto, sure, go for it. This is a crypto video at the end of the day. Now, really quick side note, I had mentioned it before. If you guys do want to join my private Discord, you also get hours of video content that will teach you more about trading, that will go in depth into a bunch of these concepts. It is made for literally everyone and anyone. It's like videos like this, but we have hours of content in there as opposed to a quick 8-minute video. And even better, every time I buy or sell crypto or a stock, you get an instant notification. So anytime I'm buying something, you guys get notified, okay? Now, moving forward, discipline. Guys, discipline is the most important thing as well. A lot of people think that trading is easy. You just pick a meme coin, you follow a good community, and boom. No, you have to be disciplined. And I mean aggressively taking profits. People don't understand that people go broke because they don't click sell. Remember, if you put $1,000 into a meme coin and it's up 2x, the best thing to do is to sell half your position and take your initial investment because now you're out of the trade risk free and you still have money in the game. Okay, people don't do this, and for some reason people think that it's like a bad thing to do when realistically everyone should be selling their initials at a 2x. That's a rule that everyone in the private Discord knows. The only time I don't do that if it's like a low cap shitter and I only have a couple $100, I'm looking at it like, you know what, if I lose all of it, who freaking cares, right? Now the next thing is, remember, cash is a position as well. I want people to understand that you have to obviously have money to invest. So when you are going through your trading journey and you're having your paychecks, whatever, you're setting money aside to invest, remember, holding cash is also a position. Holding cash is an investment as well. It's a part of your portfolio. So remember, your cash position needs to be reflective of how much money you're making, two, you're putting away, and three is your total portfolio, right? If your cash position is, let's just say, $100,000 and you only have $10,000 in crypto or other assets, that's terrible, right? Put more money into the markets and understand that there are safe investments out there that will basically be treated like a savings account, right? For example, again, depending on what your lifestyle is like, maybe let's just call it 10% of your total net worth is in cash. If that's comfortable for you, cool. But again, discipline also means actually doing the work and putting everything into numbers, right? Whether you're a visual learner or you want to just freaking write it down or whatever it may be, I don't know, it depends up to you. Do it, right? Literally go through your finances, break it down, like go to the every single like last penny and figure out, where's your money going? Because at the end of the day, if you don't know where your money is going, your money's going nowhere. Okay, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today. Again, a bit of a different video on this channel. I do want to make more of these type of videos because I feel like a lot of people, they come into meme coin just thinking they're going to get rich quick, but no one really talks about this stuff. People don't really teach how to be consistently profitable because, again, majority of the people on here aren't even freaking profitable. And again, I've lost money too. I'm not saying I've only made money. I've lost a lot of money. I've had one night in specific where I lost 30 grand. I've lost 12 grand on a meme coin recently. I've lost, a bunch of money on meme coins, but because they're smaller in my portfolio and my main portfolio is Bitcoin, ETH, stocks, I'm chilling. I barely notice it. Okay. Regardless, these are the rules I like to follow, guys. So definitely go ahead, watch this video back if you need to, take some notes, all that good stuff. And again, if you do want to join the private Discord, the link is down below. It's cheaper than a daily coffee. And yeah, if you want to be a winner, come through and check us out. But guys, that is it for today. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.